Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be in my kitchen. I'm doing something a little bit different. This is my first ever box from Grove Collaborative, and I signed up. I got a 60-day free trial. I don't know if I can give you guys a link. I'll have to see on my account, but I have a 60-day free trial that I found through Facebook with them, and this first order was like around close to $80, and I got everything in this box for 24 bucks, I think, somewhere around there. I'll see if there's a paper inside, but I figured I'd do a unboxing of Grove products. This is basically just cleaning products for the house. It's like that Meyers brand of cleaning products that I've never used before, and I got super excited when I saw this, so I really wanted to try some of this stuff out, and I even got some free things in here too. So if you want to see what I have in my Grove box, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of pull everything out that is on the top and just work my way down. I kind of just loosened everything up so we could see what we've got in here. The first thing that is at the top is a box of tissues. I got these ultra soft tissues, which are 100% sustainable bamboo and sugar cane. So it's saying that it's a seedling's promise. Every 50 boxes purchased is one tree planted. So it's like an organic, reusable, sustainable type of material, which I thought was pretty cool. So this is 90 2-ply sheets that are in this box, and I think this was one of the items that they recommended me to try in my first box. So I added that. The next thing that I have is walnut cellulose scrubber sponges, and there's a 2-pack in here. The brown side is like a rougher side, and the white is the more gentle side. And it says, I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch, and these are non-abrasive, perfect for any cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances. So this is more of like an all-natural sponge as well, and it is made with renewable plant materials. So I thought that that was pretty cool. So I got a 2-pack of those. Then I got 2 cleaning products here. They're both from the brand Method. This one is a bathroom cleaner. It is an antibacterial bathroom cleaner in the scent Spearmint. Then I also got a daily shower cleaner, which is eucalyptus mint, and it cleans without having to rinse, which is nice. So you could just like spray it, scrub it down, and you can rinse it if you want. I always rinse my shower, but I got this clear cleaning product as well. Then I got, this is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Removes dirt and freshens surfaces. This is in the scent Lemon Verbena. And what's nice is these are like aromatherapeutic scents, which I was reading about. So it's an herb that has a light, wonderfully refreshing citrus scent, and it's supposed to stimulate your mind as you clean. So everything is like all natural, like organic type things, which I thought was cute. So I got a multi-surface cleaner in a spray bottle. And then also, which is the same scent as this cleaner, this is a Mrs. Meyers dish soap. It cuts grease and it's biodegradable. And another thing that I noticed on the back is that these bottles are all made with at least 25% post-consumer plastic. So everything says please recycle on the back, so you can recycle them for them to reuse them again to create other products, which is really nice. So I got the dish soap in that same scent. Then I also got the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day hand soap, made with olive oil and aloe vera. So this is the scent Lavender, and it says lavender has been valued for years for having a wonderful scent, and it is said to relax, soothe, and relieve fatigue. And it's all from an herb. So this is also made like from herbs and things like that, and organic, I believe. So I got a hand soap as well. Then I got, which was I think a free item, I thought this was a sample size. This is not a sample size, and I will tell you why in a minute. This is a laundry detergent in the scent Ginger Mango from the brand Method as well. It says this does up to 10 loads. I feel like this is a little bit for 10 loads, but I might be putting too much soap in my laundry when I do it. So it's a 3-in-1 cleaning power, powerful stain lifter, and a fragrance that lasts in your clothes. So I have a laundry detergent to try. Now this product, I thought this was a free like little sample to try, but I got this free product in here, and now I figured out how to use this. This is the Grove Collaborative spray bottle. This is a 16-ounce glass spray bottle, and this I got for free when I sent a text message to a friend to like refer them, and also to post it up on my Facebook after I signed up for this 60-day free trial. So this is the glass spray bottle that you get. And then this is glass cleaner. It is orange and rosemary, but it is 1 ounce of concentrate. So when I was reading the bottle, it says a better way to clean. So did you know that most of the cleaning products are made with over 95% water? Fill this beautiful reusable spray bottle with any of our ultra effective cleaning concentrates for reduced waste and serious cleaning power. So you're reducing the amount of actual chemicals you're using by mixing this with water, which I thought was cool. So I put this in here and fill the rest up with water, and there you go, you have a full bottle of glass cleaner. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm gonna stick this guy in there with that. Then the next product that I got, which I was confused as to why they wanted me to get this. This is also the Grove Collaborative brand. This is Ultra Absorbent European Dishcloth. This is a 2-pack, so one side's the yellow and the other side's a green, but they're 2 individual like sheets, and it is actual like sponges. You can use it as a dishcloth to wash dishes, you can use it to clean the sink, you can use it to clean the counters, the bathroom, whatever you want to use it for, but it is a durable and absorbent sponge that is perfect for mopping up any mess. So you can use this for anything. I think you can even cut them up instead of using it as one big thing, but they're like, does it say what they're made with? When you want them clean, you simply pop them in a dishwasher and they will clean that way. Reduce waste while making your home sparkly clean. That's the best kind of multitasking. Okay, it doesn't say exactly what they are, but they're reusable, they're washable, so I'm assuming they will last a while, but I thought that was pretty cool. So I got a 2-pack of those. Then, I don't need these, but I just got them anyway. We still have Q-tips, but these are, well, cotton swabs. These are the Grove cotton swabs. There's 180 count in here, and they're made with organic cotton, and they are whitened with hydrogen peroxide, so they're like a natural Q-tip. So I got a pack of those. And my favorite thing that I was so excited about is this actual like organizational caddy type thing that you can put your cleaning products in, which I thought was cute. So I can put my cleaning products in and carry it around when I'm cleaning. But I got this as a free item also in the 60-day thing that I signed up for. And the last thing that I got in the box was a 4-pack of toilet paper. This is also like the tissues. It is 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. I got 4 jumbo rolls, and I figured why not? This is also like that seedlings promise. So for everyone that's bought, I think a tree gets planted or something like that. So I added this to my cart as well. So we got some extra toilet paper. But that is it for everything that I got in this box. I was super excited to try this out. It's something different. I know I normally do makeup videos, things like that, but I wanted to branch out and do more things like cleaning videos and organizational things and like just regular vlogs. So I figured I'd film this with you guys, and maybe one of my next videos, or when I'm gonna clean, I could film myself cleaning. I know a lot of people like those videos, and I like them too, so I figured that would be cool for me to film a cleaning video with these Grove products. This is not sponsored. This is my opinion on all this stuff. I found this and I figured I'd share it with you guys. I could see if I could find maybe a link to my Facebook one that I had posted. I don't think I can offer you guys like a code or something like that. I don't think I have that. I'll look on my account and see if there's anything that I could actually share with friends. And I'll put that all down below. But yeah, like I said, this was like $25 worth of stuff that that's all I paid for, and it was normally like close to $80. So I thought it was well worth it, because cleaning products can get expensive. But I just wanted to share with you guys. This was just a quick little unboxing video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and seeing some of the stuff I got. And until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.